brighter day, and there is no answer to the hunger. And the poverty never seems to go away. They are asking how much longer.
Let the children go to school, let there be no reason. They can get an education. I see the beautiful minds coming from miles and miles like butterflies. Let's feed the thirst in their eyes. Time is ticking, ticking, it's ticking away. Hear the call for a true war. Yes, saluta, continua, there's no time to delay. The Africa we dream of, only it goes away. Africa, hey, Africa, oh, Africa, hey, Africa, oh.
If we teach our girls to read, a future generation rejoices, rejoices, and put a microphone in the hands of our sisters, hear their voices, know their choices.
We have the power at this very hour to decide we're losing no child on the fight. That they will grow and live to see their 80s and live to see their babies, babies. Time is ticking, ticking, it's ticking away. Hear the call for a true call. Yes, I know that continue, there's no time to delay. Big Africa we dream of, only echoes away. Africa, hey, Africa, oh, Africa, hey, Africa, oh.
She puts his hand on her stomach, his other hand is on the heart card in his pocket. The doctor knows she will make it. As for the baby that both parents created, sitting at the gateway, they're the new parents to be. It's a good day, day.
Make such major steps in the right direction. We took the road less traveled by. We put hard on the reins of major sickness. No, we won't bear the burden of the sadness. Time is ticking, ticking, it's ticking away. Hear the call for a true call. Yes, I lose, I continue, but there's no time to delay. The Africa we dream of, only echoes away. Africa, oh, Africa,
Smoke from factories, killing rivers and trees. Water's not drinkable, situations unthinkable. We must have somewhere to go when we need to go. Overcrowded spaces like a maximum sentence.
what we need is opportunity. A world renewed.